Today we are going to unbox Sony WH-XB910N Extra Bass Noise Cancellation Headphones. This is an affordable wireless noise cancelling headphones with a focus on bass. Now we will unbox the headphones, and in the meantime let me explain to you the main features of these headphones. Extra bass technology delivers deep and punchy bass. This is perfect for listening to genres like hip-hop, electronic music, and pop. Dual noise sensor technology effectively cancels out ambient noise. This means you can enjoy your music without being disturbed by background noise, whether you are on the train, at the airport, or in the office. Up to 30 hours of battery life on a single charge. This is more than enough to get you through even the longest flights or workdays. Multi-point connection allows you to connect to devices simultaneously. This is great for people who want to be able to switch between their phone and laptop without having to disconnect and reconnect their headphones. Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity for stable and reliable wireless streaming. You can connect your headphones to your phone, tablet, or laptop without having to worry about dropouts or lag. Comfortable and lightweight design for extended listening sessions. The headphones are made with soft ear cups and a headband that won't put too much pressure on your head. It can be paired with two Bluetooth devices at the same time. So when a call comes in, your headphones know which device is ringing and connect to the right one automatically. Change the track, turn the volume up or down, and take or make calls by tapping or swiping the panel with your fingertip. It comes with a 3.5 audio cable and a Type-C charging cable. Quick charge function provides up to 4.5 hours of playback from just 10 minutes of charging. There is a button provided to toggle between noise cancellation and ambient sound. To enable pairing mode, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds until the blue indicator light flashes twice. The Sony Extra Bass Noise Cancellation Headphones are a great option for those looking for affordable wireless noise cancelling headphones with a focus on bass. They offer excellent bass performance, effective noise cancellation, and long battery life.